Hello all, welcome to this video on Java language. In this video, we will be seeing how to download, install and configure Java on Windows, Mac and Linux machine. I have also created a full-fledged document which you can refer to configure and set up Java on your machines for Windows as well as for Mac operating system as well as for Linux. This file I will be adding in the description panel. So if you want to download it, you can just go and download this file and later on you can just check it out. So let's start. Before configuring Java on your machines, you will have to ensure that Java is configured in your machine or not. For that, you just have to click on start icon and you just have to click on run. Once you click on run, you just have to type cmd over here and you just have to hit on OK. Second option would be you just have to click on this icon and you just have to search for command prompt. Once you get the command prompt, here you just have to type javac. Once you type javac, if you are getting an error like javac is not recognized as an internal or external command, it means Java is not configured in your machine. So for this, you will have to download the JDK file and you will have to install it and you will have to configure the server path in your system variables in your machine. So let's see how we can do it. So to download the JDK file, you will have to open up your browser and you just have to say Java JDK. You just have to hit on first link, that is from oracle.com, and here you will get the list of versions of Java. So the latest version of Java is 14.0.2. So what you will have to do is you just have to click on JDK download. Once you click on JDK download, it will take you to the next page where you will find the list of downloadable link for all the operating systems. So in my case, if you are using Mac operating system, then you just have to click on this. If you are using Linux operating system, so according to the configuration of your machines, you can just click on this particular JDK file to download it. If you are using Windows machine, then it would be of two flavor, either 64-bit or 32-bit. In order to check this, what you can do is you can just do right click on this PC option and click on properties. It will give you the system information. So in my case, you can see my system is running on 64-bit operating system. If your system is running on 32-bit, then you can just click on this 686 file and you will have to download it. In my case, I'll just click on this file. I'll accept the EULA and I'll just click on download. So once I click on download, it will start downloading this file in my machine. So I have already downloaded this .exe file. So I'll just cancel it and I'll just go to my download folder, and here you can see I have this file available. So I'll just do double tap on it. So this is a simple process like we do for other applications in Windows machine. You just have to do double tap on it and you will have to follow the on-screen process. You will have to follow, like, yes, next. So I have clicked on yes. So you will get another prompt saying that this, so you just have to click on next option over here and you just have to click on next again, and it is updating right now. So just to give you more information about for this, if you remember in first lecture, we have seen Jdk and Jre. So Jdk you will have to download if you want both implementation as well as development as well as to run the code. If you just want to run the code, then in that case you just click on Jre download. But if you want to write your own code and run that code, then in that case Jdk is required. Okay, if you have not watched this video, I'll again add up that link in the description panel. You can just go and you can just check this. So I'll just click on next over here and it will be installing Java in the machine. So you can see it is about to complete and it has been completed now. And here you will get an option saying that Java SE Development Kit 8 Update 261 successfully installed. You just have to click on close. Now once Java is installed, again if you go to your command prompt and say Java C and click on enter, again you will get the same error saying that Java is not recognized as an internal or external server. If you want me to close it and again open the command prompt and again type javac, again you will get the same error. because we have just installed the Java in my machine. Windows system has not any information about the Java. Now, in order to give the information to Windows machine, we will have to configure and set up the path of JDK file as well as bin folder. So let's see. Once it gets installed, you just have to go to your this PC and you just have to go to C drive. Under C drive, you will have to go to program files, and under program files 86. So under program files, you will find Java folder, and here you can see, as I told you, Java JDK comes by default with both the packages JDK as well as JRE. If you want to develop your code and run that in your machine, then it requires JDK. If you just want to run that code, then it requires JRE, not the JDK. So here you can see this is the JDK folder, and if I just take you inside the JRE, it will show you all the respective developing tools, and we just have to configure the path. So in order to configure the path, what you will have to do is we just have to follow the process. Click on start icon and you just have to search for view advanced, and you just have to click on view advanced system setting. If you are aware of the shortcut, then you just have to do right click on it and click on properties, and under properties you just have to hit on advanced system settings. Under advanced system settings, you will have to click on environment variables, and under environment variables you just have to click on this new in order to set up the path. So I'll just click on new button over here and I'll create variable name as Java underscore home, and as a variable value you can either browse that directory, or what you can do is you can just go to Java folder and you just have to copy this path up to JDK. Copy this path, C program files Java JDK, and you just have to paste it under the variable value. Now click on OK. Once you click on OK, so you can see Java home system variables has been set. Now in order to set the bin folder, what you will have to do is you just have to select this path option and click on edit. Now over here, click on new and you just have to paste the bin up to the path till bin folder, so that your Java will have all the implementation including the Java C interpreter and all the JRE required packages. So you just have to copy this entire package till bin folder and you just have to paste the same thing. So let me edit it and I'll just paste it again so that it will also copy the bin. Now you just have to hit on OK and just click on OK. So the configuration has been done. Now you can cross check whether Java has been configured or not. So you just have to again open up the command prompt and you just have to say Java C, and you will get some implementation with some options saying and this ensures that Java has been configured in your machine. If you want to check the Java version, then you just have to say Java space hyphen and say version and click on OK. Now it will give you an option like Java version 1.8.0 and 261 package has been installed, and this is all things. So this is how we install Java in Windows machine. If you want to configure it on Mac operating system, so I have added all the respective screenshots over here in this package. If you want me to create another video, another session for Mac and Linux, please do let me know in the comment section. I will do the needful. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and watch it, and do let me know your feedback in the comment section.